Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018. Question number 9. British foreign investments are concentrated in A. EU countries, B. African unity, C. Developed countries, D. Commonwealth countries. Whenever you hear the word British foreign investments as regards to our country here in Nigeria, we know about the Commonwealth countries. And what are these Commonwealth countries? The Commonwealth is a political association The Commonwealth is a political association of 53 member states, having 53 member states. Now, nearly all of them are former territories of the British Empire. They are former territories of the British Empire. Now, some of the member nations include Nigeria, Zambia, Rwanda, etc. And the foreign investments of Britain are primarily concentrated on these regions. So that makes option D the right answer, because the British is the head of the Commonwealth, and most of their investments are in the Commonwealth region. Thank you.